Hello buddies, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Cardano. Guys, this video is very important for all of you because Cardano are going to hit 3 USD dollar. Oh my god, that's very a new and a huge achievement for Cardano holders, guys. You can see here, guys, if you look here, the latest price, the highest price of the Cardano in the market, so 2.95 USD dollar are also hit by Cardano at so 295 cent is the already highest price of the Cardano. I think here the price of Cardano is 2.95 USD dollar, but unfortunately now the current price is about 2.7 USD dollar. So 3 cent need for a 3 USD dollar, and easily I'm sure about that now 5 days remaining in the August, and I'm sure about that in the remaining days they can easily going to hit a 3 USD dollar. So the people are getting unbelievable profit from a Cardano Adda, guys. What do you think about Cardano Adda future? Personally, I'm 100% sure that Cardano will give you profit, but unfortunately you can see here, guys, that the highest price is 2.95 and now the current price is about 2.70 USD dollar. Now gradually the price falls down, but now, guys, possibilities that again the price will pump, but I'm sure, guys, I believe that before end of August the price of Cardano will be 30 USD dollar. 30 USD dollar, guys, and you can see negative 4.63%. Negative 4.63%. The price changes going wrong. That is the last 3 days price chart, and from the last 3 days the price is completely dumps. Every hour the price jumps from the last 3 days. But guys, you know what, guys, that's not mean then you decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so good. But if you want a high profit, if you want an unbelievable profit from a Cardano, so please hold, don't decide to sell. And if you want to buy more, so I think now the price is very high. Nothing you will get if you buy a Cardano Adda in a right now situation. So guys, it's just a holding time. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Cardano Adda? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.